A mistake can ask for a repair. It does not need a prosecution. Miss a deadline, send a sharp message, or break a promise, and the mind can compress one event into a verdict. I did something wrong becomes something is wrong with me. Those are not the same question. What did I do? Asks for evidence. What am I asks for a sentence about the whole person, usually while the evidence is still incomplete. Research often distinguishes guilt from shame in a similar way. Guilt tends to focus on a specific behavior and its consequences. Shame tends to focus on the global self. They can overlap, and neither word is a diagnosis. In 4 experiments, Brines and Chen found that self-compassion conditions were linked with more motivation to make amends, study after failure, or improve a weakness. The outcome was motivation, not automatic success. That matters because compassion is sometimes mistaken for acquittal. But dropping a character verdict does not erase the deadline, the hurt, or the promise. It makes the next move easier to specify. Start with the behavior. Name only what a camera, calendar, or message log could verify. I missed the deadline. I interrupted twice. I said yes, then disappeared. Then name the cost without adjectives about the person. My teammate carried last-minute work. The conversation narrowed. Someone had to guess whether I would show up. Finally, name one observable repair and put it on a clock. Send the correction today. Share a rough draft one day earlier. Ask what would restore trust, then listen to the answer. Compare the 2 reviews. I always ruin everything offers no target. I missed the deadline. My teammate absorbed the rush. I will send a rough draft by 3 tomorrow gives the next hour somewhere to go. In a repair conversation, an apology does not need self-demolition. It needs accuracy, ownership, room for the other person's response, and follow-through that can be seen later. If the same problem keeps returning, stronger insults are not a stronger plan. Change the system. Reduce the promise, add a checkpoint, move the phone, ask for help, or set a boundary before resentment. This is an educational review model, not therapy. If self-attack is persistent, overwhelming, or tied to safety, a 3-line exercise is not a substitute for qualified support. The compact version is simple. What happened? What did it cost? And what changes next? Facts first. Consequences second. Repair third. No verdict about the entire person is required. Accountability names the behavior and the repair. Self-attack names the person. Keep the lesson. Keep the consequence. Drop the verdict.